What are you doing?
Go vlog our entire tour of September. Our big downtown sound tour.
Here we go. Why? There we go. This is the one.
Oh! Oh!
Go.
Oh!
I'm gonna get. I swear to God, you're gonna miss the one.
Oh! 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 Yeah, I'm sure you did.
Bam. There we go.
Bam! 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 Shazam! Okay! 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 There we go! Yeah! Okay! Good! 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 All the way. Nailed it. Just can't wait to get on the road again. September. We are on our September tour. We say it because we want to make it sound cool.
We're not cool.
We're not cool at all. This is Andrew.
I can't tell if that's a good angle. Let's look.
Let's look, huh? That's Andrew.
Oh, yeah.
Andrew, are you excited?
You know, you could argue that I am kind of excited.
That's a good argument. I'll take that bet. I too am kind of excited.
Kind of?
Kind of.
Kind of.
Is the operative word, because kind of in my dictionary means all the way. It confuses a lot of people. But I'm all the way excited. How did Downtown Sound start, Andrew?
It was a dark and stormy night.
Yeah, it was. It really was.
It was in November of back in 2014.
It's a long time ago.
Oh my God, we're approaching 2 years old. I think Jill and I were jamming, and then the one other kid, Austin. We miss you, Austin. He didn't come back to school, so we're like, oh, we should actually just start a real band then.
Yes.
And we found this guy.
That's me. They asked me at lunch. They're like, "Hey man, we have a proposition for you.
It's like, do you play drums?
You wanna be in a band?" And I said, "Haha, sure." Turning to all my friends, being like, "A band." I tried to do that in high school. It didn't work out. I'm sure they're just kidding.
I did. We were fine.
I'm not that cool. So I was like, I'm sure they're just joking around. Went to practice. They were dead serious, and I wanted to quit. You'll meet Dylan later. Dylan is an alright cat. Let's say nice things about Dylan. Okay. He, yeah.
He's got big muscles.
Got big muscles, and he is in the band.
He sings sometimes pretty well.
And we sure do love him.
You'll meet Joel.
You'll meet Joel. He's our bass player. Joel is
slapping on that bass.
Slapping on the bass, you feel me? Joel joined our soiree in March. That's not supposed to meet Lance. Lance was our first bass player, and he's got a big boy job. Big boy job, doing big boy things.
In another city.
In another city, in Bismarck. And now, so we got Joel. And Joel is, he's really good, but he's really ugly. So watch out for that. He is engaged, so ladies, sorry about that, but you didn't have to worry about it, because again, to reiterate, he's ugly. Thank you. So awesome, yeah.
I think he's
So do I. Hey, so do I. Stop.
Shut up.
I don't want them to know that. So enjoy the ride to the month of September.
It's gonna be cool.
It's gonna be weird.
It's gonna be fantastic.
It's gonna be sexy.
All right.
Not the last one. Cut the last one. But it will be good.
It'll be sexy. All
right, it's okay. Again, I have to blur that out. All right. But it will be sexy.
And say goodbye to the camera.
Bye. Backstage, Joel. You excited?
Pretty much, yeah.
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh,
By the way, this is Joel, our bass player. He's an alright dude.
I'm in some of the shows.
Yeah, you feel me. Dylan's first time on the phone with a girl. He's excited. He's giddy, actually. Look at him. Just giddy.
Bitch better pick up a phone!
Yes, okay. Okay. Be calm. It's just a girl. Okay, they're just like us, but they're not boys.
Hey, Pooks.
Okay, yeah, good.
Hey, Pooks.
Nice. Yes.
I'm blowing it.
Say
Hey, Pooks.
Say she doesn't look bad. Say she doesn't look bad.
You don't look bad.
Nice. Good.
What up, girl?
Okay, off to Nimrod, day 2. Got back from shotgun, 3:15 a.m. It's now 8:53 in the morning. So, all right, just arrived at the guy's house. Let's see how tired they are. Hello. There's Dylan.
Hey!
And he's wide awake.
Got a nose tampon.
Yeah, it's true. How are you feeling? Wide awake? Sweet. We're both tired. Good. Sounds good. Andrew's obviously not tired. Look at him. But that's called beauty sleep, and he needs it. Don't worry, Nimrod. We're excited to be there. Right? This is Kyle. He's our sound guy. I hate you.
Get it?
Kyle's playing a game, the classic DTS tradition before going to gig. Kyle's not coming with.
I'm not coming.
What are you playing, Kyle?
Skate 3.
God damn it. We already played that. I already have footage of that, Kyle.
I'm sorry. It's all I play.
You're boring.
Turn up! For what?
For Nimrod, dude.
Turn up for Nimrod.
Wait, turn up for what?
For Harambe.
Right, cool. You're out of the vlog forever. So, Dylan's following us to Nimrod.
We fucked him over,
We
dude.
did. The train, what's it called? The cross trains went down. Train was coming by. We went through it. Crossbars. And he got stuck. Here we are at Taco John's, getting food.
We made sure of that.
Love you, Dylan.
Yeah, pretty fucking good.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Hey guys, look, it's corn. Whoa! Corn. Not the band, the thing that's useful.
Week 2, day 1, O'Leary's, Fargo. It's about to be a blast. All right, Kyle.
Hey,
What are you gonna do for us?
I'm gonna make you sound kind of good, but it's hard to do, so.
Okay. Yeah, it's true. We do suck. Dylan,
Hey!
you're not in this a lot. Okay, we'll back up. I'm sorry. Dylan, do you want to say anything to the good people?
I'm nervous and
That's good. Good.
Oh, really?
We at O'Leary's. We about to kill it. Here's Kyle. Here's me. Here's Kyle. Here's me. I don't even know if it's on you, but there it is. Oh my God.
yeah.
Ready to kill it? Ready to crush it?
Yeah, I'm fucking ready.
Fuck yeah. Joel, You're not on this a lot.
Hey.
Hey, this is Joel. You ready to crush it? Kill it?
I'm
excited?
Joel, bass player.
That's the wrong band, but yeah, you're good to go. Ready to go?
Yep.
Wait, there it is.
Up.
Boom! Bam! Welcome.
How you doing? Day 2.
Day 2 of week 2. I feel tired, but I'm ready to go. DL. That's Detroit Lakes. Catch up with the lingo. Google it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna rock it. It's on a lake.
It's on a lake.
Beach party.
For real.
Yes. As you can see, we're in a new environment.
We are. Look at this. Look at this. Like,
scope it out. Wow. This is the tour. I got a brand new car. I'm doing
brand new car.
Brand new car.
And it can fit all the drums. Yeah. See all these drums back here? It's even a backpack. And my face.
Last night at O'Leary's, it went great. Nobody was there. Just kidding. There's a couple people there. We're always competing with everybody. Every time we play anywhere downtown, there's like 6 other bands going on. Also, Ludacris and B.O.B. is in town. So Luda, if you're watching, which I know you are, you're an avid subscriber. You messed up our audience, which sucks. I get it. You gotta make that change. I feel you, my homie. We'll let you have that one, but next time, send your fans our way.
Seriously, everybody was playing. Johnny was playing last night.
Johnny Holmes was playing. My good friends Up Top was playing. Shout out to Up Top. Ska
Skank was playing last night.
Shout out to Ska Skank.
I don't like that, did it?
You just fart again?
I did just fart again.
Well, what if I told you what's going to happen? If you keep eating bad. Remember my exact words to you?
No.
I said, Andrew, if you keep eating bad, you will die from dysentery.
Dysentery, yeah. He always says that every day.
Always. Yeah, that's what happened. If you keep eating junk food, just diarrhea constantly until you die.
But it's worth it.
It's a shitty way to go. I want to die. But we are booked every weekend besides Thanksgiving, Christmas, and a week I'm down from Florida. But we're booked every weekend to New Year's Eve right now.
Oh, we fucking are.
Which is pretty nuts.
Damn, we're gonna make some cash.
That's the plan. Week 3 of the Downtown Sound trip. We are on our way to Mandan, North Dakota. We're driving right now. Me and Dylan left a little bit ago. Andrew's on the follow because he had his class today. So with Andrew following, you know what that means. I'm by myself. Last time we played at Mandan, the last call. Met some good characters, some people with no teeth. It's a good time.
Hey, this is Lance. Say hi, Lance.
Fuck off, Andrew. What are we doing? We're getting ready for our show, watching some good, what is this, Harry Potter?
Oh, you ass.
We're watching some Hunger Games. Lance is pretty pumped about it. He loves Katniss. I'm excited. Andrew, you want to show us what you're wearing? Want to like give us a little for the show tonight?
Yeah, it's a gift. I'm wearing khakis.
Okay, well, yes, we'll start there, right at the crotch. Yes.
Cool socks.
Oh, American, nice. For the election coming up, great, good, festive.
Mustache.
I got the mustache. Yes, there it is. There's the mustache. Wow. I feel like you got something else going on, like right there in the middle, above your shirt. Oh, that's what that is. For all the ladies tonight.
Big sweater. Big shag interior.
Hey, Dylan, what are you sporting tonight?
Tonight I've got on my finest khakis.
Oh my God.
And a black shirt blouse.
Whoa.
Blouse.
And here's what Lance has got. He's got jeans,
I don't know if I'm gonna wear this.
some dad socks,
I might.
and a team that doesn't exist anymore.
Loser.
Yeah.
Racist. Ooh, yeah. Come here with those nips.
All right, here we go. Here's what I'm wearing. Man, look at these socks. I'm wearing these, and I'm wearing khakis. Wow. And then I'm wearing a shirt. Whoa. I was just telling Lance that we're just wrapping up watching Jurassic Park.
Space dinosaurs.
Yes.
I like dinosaurs.
I like dinosaurs.
Andrew likes dinosaurs.
You like vaginosaurs?
A big.
Shit, huh?
This is Dylan Boehmer signing off.
Hey, over here.
Yep.
For you.
I have to blur everything you do. You're just gonna be a big blur by the end of this.
Can you blur out the beers on my t-shirt?
They're already done. All right, well, see you guys at the show as soon as Pokemon's done.
Fuck you.
He's gonna stare at you. Allow me to just exercise these demons. I'll tell you a little story about her. It goes a little something like this. Have you ever met a girl that you tried to date? But I can't make love, she wanted you to wait. Every day is on your mind situation. I was on the news from on the US station. When I asked you if I met you, you said, no, I don't. I only have a friend. Girl, you do the life keep certain and certain, and now I gotta send it on you. Hey, you got what I need. But you say he's just a man. But you say he's just a man. I'll wait for you. Hey, there we go. You got what I need. But you say he's just a man. But you say he's just a man. I'll wait for you. Hey, you got what I need. Hey, but you say he's just a man. But you say he's just a man.
All right, week 4, last day, September 30th, Dempsey's, downtown Fargo. It's gonna be a pretty awesome kick-ass show. It's NDSU's homecoming week this week, so it'll be a lot of drunk people there, a lot of families coming down, a lot of drunk people there. I'm excited. Let's do it.
Rock your body.
We got a question for you, better answer now.